In today's fast-paced and competitive business landscape, startups face numerous challenges when it comes to achieving sustainable growth. However, with the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, and the practice of due diligence, startups now have powerful tools at their disposal to drive their growth and success. Startup growth refers to the continuous and sustainable expansion of a new business venture. Achieving significant growth requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and the ability to adapt to market dynamics. Due diligence refers to the comprehensive evaluation process conducted before entering into a business transaction or investment. For startups, due diligence is essential as it helps potential investors and partners assess the startup's financial, legal, and market-related risks. AI technology has transformed the due diligence landscape by automating various tasks and augmenting human capabilities. AI-powered tools can swiftly gather and analyze vast amounts of structured and unstructured data. AI algorithms can analyze historical data and generate predictive models, providing insights into a startup's future performance. Various AI-powered tools and platforms have emerged to streamline and enhance the due diligence process. Machine learning algorithms enable due diligence tools to learn from historical data and make accurate predictions. Natural language processing, NLP, allows due diligence tools to analyze unstructured textual data. Automated due diligence platforms integrate various AI technologies and streamline the entire due diligence workflow. By reducing manual effort, these tools enhance efficiency, minimize errors, and ensure consistent analysis. Startups can leverage these insights to refine their strategies and align with market opportunities. To effectively implement AI and due diligence in startup growth strategies, the following best practices should be considered. Startups must define clear objectives and identify specific areas where AI and due diligence can contribute to their growth strategy. Ensure the quality and security of data used for AI and due diligence processes, as accurate and reliable data is essential for generating meaningful insights. Implement a system for continuous monitoring and evaluation of AI models and due diligence practices to adapt to changing market conditions. To read the full article, please visit the page https://malcolmtan.net/